6 assets that are safer and more profitable than cash. Cash might feel safe, but in reality, it's losing value every single day. Inflation eats away at your savings, banks limit your access to it, and in uncertain times, cash might not be as secure as you think. So, what are the better and safer alternatives? Today, we're diving into the best assets that can protect your wealth and even help it grow. Why cash is risky. Before we get into the alternatives, let's quickly talk about why cash isn't always king. Inflation is one of the biggest threats. Your money sitting in a bank is constantly losing value. Banks can also impose withdrawal limits, freeze accounts, or even collapse. So, what can you do instead? Let's explore the best assets that are better and safer than cash. 1. Precious metals, gold and silver. First up, gold and silver. These metals have been used as a store of value for thousands of years. Unlike cash, they can't be printed out of thin air, and during economic downturns, they often rise in value. Gold and silver are great for wealth preservation, but they don't generate passive income. That's where our next assets come in. 2. Real estate. Real estate is another solid option. It not only retains value but can also generate rental income. Over time, properties tend to appreciate, and during inflationary periods, rents often increase. Plus, real estate gives you something tangible, an asset you can use, rent out, or sell when needed. 3. Stocks and index funds. Next, we have stocks and index funds. Investing in strong companies or diversified funds historically outperforms inflation. While individual stocks can be risky, broad market index funds like the S&P 500 have shown strong returns over decades. If you're thinking long-term, this is a great alternative to holding cash. 4. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and stablecoins. Now let's talk crypto. Bitcoin is often called digital gold because of its limited supply and decentralization. While it's volatile, many investors see it as a hedge against inflation and government control. Then there are stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to the dollar, offering liquidity without depending on traditional banks. But be careful, regulations and market swings can still pose risks. 5. Government and corporate bonds. For those looking for lower risk, bonds are a great choice. Government bonds, especially from stable economies, offer safety and steady returns. Corporate bonds from reputable companies can provide higher interest rates than savings accounts while being more secure than stocks. 6. Commodities and alternative investments. Beyond traditional assets, you can also consider commodities like oil, farmland, or even collectibles. Farmland generates food and remains valuable, while rare art and watches tend to appreciate over time. These assets can be great for diversification and inflation protection. So, to recap, gold and silver protect wealth, real estate generates income, stocks and index funds build long-term value, crypto offers digital alternatives, bonds provide security, and alternative investments give you even more ways to diversify. The key is not to rely on just one asset but to spread your wealth wisely. Which of these assets do you own or are planning to invest in? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips. See you in the next one.